Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw K-pop Thunder Rumi drawing. Easy step by step. Follow my steps. Okay, let's go to the video. I'm using marker. First, he draw to Rumi eye. Okay, then slide to code size like this and eyeball. Okay, then shadow retina to another eye, this side here to like this side like this. After eyeball, okay, inside detail in retina and eyebrow here like this side one like this. It's the blacky. Okay, then inside eye here also then nose here blacky and mouth small is okay. Then we draw the face little like this and small here and join these lines. Okay, and this side. Okay, it's in here ears and that's why I kept up like this in here. Then here she is wearing the earring. Details on ear. This side on ears means a hat on like this and small details. And we draw the body. Next jacket. Okay, then neck. The shoulder. Okay, this side shoulder jacket so yes, and we draw the hand side yes. Okay, that's this side. Okay, then hand. Okay, there's some design here. Another hand. then jacket, and another jacket, join it, wearing the one necklace, then downside this, panty, small line, and let it will be down like this. Okay, then one packet here on some details, then leg, like this. After we draw her hair, we have the long hair like this, and this some regions also like this. And another long hair like this, like this. Like this. Okay, here also some details. Okay, our Rumi is alive. I think it is beautiful. Okay, now we going to coloring. First, we colored hair, detail of the hair color. Jacket color, then skin color, Our drawing is ready. If you are like this video, kindly subscribe me and share this video. Give your thumbs also. Okay, thank you. See you next video. Bye bye.